lot of people struggle a lot in order to understand what their purpose of life is. The reason you ask that question is because your perception has not been deep enough to align you with the divine purpose that you came here for. So having a acute mastery, solid mastery over your senses actually helps you align with your divine purpose. You will know what you came here for. It could be starting a charity organization. It could be doing some other charity in some other way. It could be for healing other people. It could be for helping yourself and walking your spiritual journey. It could be for any other kind of dharma, any other kind of, living with the principles. It could be for just genuinely teaching and training other people to walk their spiritual journey, or it could be to just be in the exploration of Gyan. It could be for exploration of wisdom in the astral realms, in the cosmic realms. It could be anything. Your divine purpose could be anything. Or it could be just to simply open a very good organization and run it with the spiritual values, dharmic values, right? The righteousness. So having a very good business. And I'm talking about business in the worldly sense. Any organization, any trading business, manufacturing business, IT business, or technology, or anything like that. You may have goals like that, but you may have these kind of purposes as well, and you can achieve them. You can do them with the spiritual values by being rooted within you. By always and always living with the center within you, holding the center within you. You can achieve all these purposes, you can attain all these things by having the mastery over your senses. So this is a very helpful thing. When you master your senses, you actually master the art and science of crafting the destiny, creating the destiny, that the life that you really want to live.